All right, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap here on the channel. Today we took two W's. Actually one dub for me and two dubs for the live Discord today. We went live today, and both the Discord members caught some longs today, and that's a W, right? So let's get into this trade recap, and let's see why I took these longs. This long, first I want to, I'll just explain that on the way. So coming into today for my bias, I was bearish at first. Let me just pull it up. If you guys want to join the free Discord with live trading now, just go to the link in the description. This link down below will never ever expire. So come join. You guys will be 100% welcomed. So today I said leaning bearish today, despite the SMT with the NWAG and the new week opening gap. Hold up. Just gotta. New week opening gap. I think that we will disrespect and on N. Wait, what? I think we'll disrespect on NQ. We'll go down to fill it in. So drawn liquidity being here, drawn liquidity being the NWAG. New week opening gap. It can also be this hourly low. On the daily, yesterday we created the daily fair value gap, which it has respected and showed bearish signs. So the daily is currently in bearish order flow. On the 4-hour, we made a bearish fair value gap. It filled the gap and respected it, while also inverting the bullish fair value gap. So the order flow on the 4-hour is bearish, and we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Holy crap, I just said that all wrong. We're respecting bearish and disrespecting bullish. What I want to see for shorts is us coming into the unfilled 4-hour fair value gap that aligns with London highs, while also filling an unfilled hourly that is in line with the 15-minute intermediate high, hitting equilibrium of the range, and last filling in the 15-minute fair value gap if possible, all inside the 4-hour gap. Honestly, a perfect spot to short from. What do you guys think? Let me know in the whatever. So here's the daily. We have this daily fair value gap. It's bearish. We're all the way down here. It filled it, and it just looks bearish. On the 4-hour here, we're in this 4-hour fair value gap right here. We have this bullish 4-hour fair value gap. As you can see, we've come up into this 4-hour fair value gap, respected it, and disrespected this one. We also broke structure to the downside here and here. So bearish order flow on the 4-hour. This is what I wanted to see happen. We have this 4-hour gap right here that was unfilled, which I can show you guys right here. This 4-hour gap right here. What I wanted to see get happen, we have Asia highs up here. I don't think Asia highs is going to get taken out. But we have this 4-hour gap right here. And if we want to continue this bearish order flow, I think we need that retrace into the 4-hour gap to continue lower. So we have this 15-minute gap right here. We have this 15-minute intermediate high aligning with the hourly gap. We have equilibrium of this range, which is this green line right here. And we have the 4-hour gap aligning with London highs right at the entrance. And we also have this hourly high right there. So this right here, this scenario is honestly would be a plus, right? And again, I said my draw is either the NWAG or this hourly low right here. But in my Discord, I did say that if we want to be bullish and want longs for today, we have to come down, take out this, and then go higher to get that retrace to go lower, right? As you can see, we already got into there, and yeah. So that's my bias for the Discord. Again, if you guys want to join, go to the link in the description and join from there. So market opens right here. We end up starting dumping, and I already know we're going to get longs because we're going to take this out, and we need that retrace up there. So what happened here? So we come down, we make this 5-minute up here. We make this 5-minute, and then after we end up taking that hourly low. We made an SMT at first, but then disrespected that SMT. One thing here is that once we create these 5 minutes, I had to wait for the 5 minutes to get inversed. So I said in my Discord, I want to see some type of internal manipulation in the 1 minute. And we got that right here. Boom, 1 minute manipulation down here. We took out this internal low, and we have these fair value gaps right here. Blake took this 2-minute fair value gap, which is a tiny little fair value gap that I did not take because of the size. But again, you have to take the highest time frame version. But I did end up taking this 1-minute inversion after these 3 fair value gaps got inversed. Mech long to TP being this 5-minute up here, this 5-minute here, and going break even at this internal high, which aligns kind of with the 5-minute other 5-minute unfilled gap. Thing that happened here, I did not take these longs. I made $100 on it, but after we inversed, I entered, right? Obviously, I entered, and what happened was that yesterday I was forward testing gold on Asia, and my contracting was on gold. So when I entered on gold, and it wasn't MQ, it wasn't micro gold, it was gold. So I entered, and we were in profit for like $100. But I wasn't able to enter on this again. Why? Because we already hit my break-even point. We hit my break-even point, and by then it's not valid anymore, and I'm not entering that trade. But it was a very good A+. I'll give it an I'd give it an A mech long. It was a really good mech long. Don't get me wrong. It was a very good mech long, and yeah. So we missed that, but we did make $100 on this. But I did take this trade on my eval. I took this trade on my eval a little late though. After we inversed here, we entered on this candle right here, but we did make 1.3K on the eval today. I had to stay below the 50% consistency rule, so that's why it wasn't where like up here or something. But yeah, we made 1.3K on the eval. We just need just 2 days to go, right? But yeah. So I was still looking to trade this because I was confident that we were going to take out London highs and fill in that 4-hour gap and fill in equilibrium of this range. So what I was looking for, since we had these 5-minute gaps and we were moving up, obviously, and we're bullish, we had this 5-minute gap right here that I want to see inverse to go long, and we also had this 15-minute. So while I was waiting, this candle right here was the deciding candle. We did have an SMT with this internal high with ES, but I wasn't worried. Why? Because if we were to inverse that 5-minute fair value gap with this candle right here, what am I thinking? Hold up. I think I just messed something up. I entered with this one. But, yeah. Hold up. I just mixed up everything. This 5-minute candle here was the deciding factor. Why? Because we inversed the 5-minute, and then this candle right here was another deciding factor to further on confirm my bias. Because we were going to inverse this 15-minute right here, and we did at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. it got inversed, and yeah, W. These are good longs. It's just like kind of a continuation, kind of not, but yeah, we got these 5-minute longs. And since I did make $100 on that gold thingy, I put my stop loss below this 5-minute fair value gap. And then what else? TP was at London highs, which just got hit. I got break even on it. It hit break even for $150, so I'm up $236 on the day. What else do I gotta say? Once we hit this buy side liquidity right here, because we didn't make an SMT with that buy side liquidity, I got my stop loss and I put it around here where it was for a stop loss of $109. So if it were to hit my stop loss, I'd just go break even on the day, no harm done. And yeah, and then once it hit this this hourly high right here, I put my stops to break even, and then I just let it run, and then I got break even, unfortunately. So yeah, I could have made $350, but I still won today, and I was still right. So I'm happy with the way I traded today. And yeah, I think I talked way too fast in this video. I gotta slow my roll. But yeah, we hit a W on the live trading. If you guys want to join the live trading, just go to the link in the description. I'll end the trade recap off here. I think I didn't miss anything. I think so. And yeah, I'm going to end the trade recap off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you guys. If you want to join the Discord, like I said 3 times already, link in the description. Please come join the Discord because you guys are going to be 100% welcome. And if you're watching this now, the Discord will be a paid community soon once I start getting a few payouts. And if you already are in the Discord, you guys are going to stay lifetime in for free, absolutely free. And yeah, so God bless you guys. Trade safe. Go follow the other socials, link in the description. And I'll see you guys tomorrow if I end up taking a trade. See ya.